Everyone, I'm staying at the Asian Gardens Hotel and Thai Spa in Finisterre near Benidorm, and this is a wee walking tour. But first, I'll just show you briefly the lobby. Look at this. Look at the size, the scale of it. A phenomenal lobby. Look at this. Look at the lobby bar here. Got a nice seating area. Isn't that amazing? This must be the best hotel of this entire Benidorm hotel series. It's just filled with lovely wee bits of art. I really like this, it's amazing. There's the Bonsai restaurant. Bonsai lounge. I think that's the tapas. Love this elephant. It's getting a bit late. It's a bit late getting here. But look at this. Look at the map. It's just a lovely place. I'll probably redo this tomorrow when it's sunnier and I've got more time. But I'm just here and I was all excited, I couldn't wait to see it. Jacqueline is going to love this. Just a shame she's not got a proper electric wheelchair. She's just got the fold up one. So it's a bit harder to steer. There is an accessible pool, but I'll need to find it. It's the kids club, sports area. It really is an amazing hotel. I think you could easily get lost in it. I'm wondering if that's the accessible pool, because I think it's quite a small one. I'm not sure. I don't see anything there that screams out accessible. I have to say, I did the level at Melia Velletana, and I have to say, as much as I thought that was lovely, this is the one for me. I really dig this. This is a cool pool. There's a dining area. I don't know what one that is. Zen. So it's like the Zen garden. The thing that's striking about it is very wheelchair friendly. Jacqueline is going to absolutely love this. Maybe not as much as me, because this is my thing. I absolutely love this. But in terms of accessibility, going and seeing somewhere nice, aye, she's going to love this. There's the lobby entrance. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Tell your friends about me. I do a different hotel video every week, and don't forget, check part 2. I think I'm going to be making quite a few videos around here because it is massive, and I can't tell you how much I'm loving this. Anyway, take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.